Hello, good afternoon, Miss and Sir. My name is Yong Jian. Today I'm going to present the restoration of handcraft. Before I starting my presentation, let me introduce about our project tree. Our project tree is designed a cultural center which is linked with the Pura Tanjung Statue, the existing building in our site at Terengganu. My design concepts will be making relationship with nature and site, improve the environment of site, solve a problem that traditional handmade crafting faced, make the site and craft restoration, and then how to improve the economic and the life standard of the site. So I've done the macro site context, and as you can see, there's most tourist area is there, and the sun path and the wind direction are also done, and the SWOT will write down by me, and we found that it got few advantages and few disadvantages. Disadvantages such like good location, good view, good ventilation, but the strong sunshine will let the temperature higher, but the transportation is poor, so the river taxi are provided by me, and the sensory will also find out the view, the sound, the smell showing. And about the site response, a lot of semi-open spaces will be used due to the good natural ventilation, the good natural lighting. And my building scheme will helping the water flow on my building scheme will helping to decrease the temperature of the site, and the green environment of site will also help to reduce it. The residential area, because our site is near with the residential area, so we also need to think about how to reduce the influence to the resident area. And the view, lot of the glasses will be used to having a good view. So my design concept is talking about making the relationship with the forest and the nature. So I need to discuss that which part is better for my cultural center. So this will be chosen because of it have a good view, have good ventilation, and is near to the forest, the pond, and the river. And this target result is research from the tourist website of Malaysia and Terengganu. This is my bubble diagram. The bubble diagram showing how to access from one part to another part, and the entrance, and the public, the semi-private, the private zoning spaces. And because our cultural center should have some craft program for it, so I research for the procedure of the batik and the woodcraft. This is the procedure of batik and the procedure of woodcraft, and this is the craft program that I going to the cultural center to having a site visit, and I found it. So this is the batik craft program, the woodcraft craft programs, and my design development. So the shape I use it is from the boundary line of the site. And step 2, we need to find out and distinguish the Pratamnu statue because we can't change the existing building. So the step 3, due to I need to let my cultural center is making relationship with the river and the lakes. So I let the river and the lake are connected, and then I exchange for the shape to left the spaces for the lake. And this and the step 4, I divided it into workshop part and the facility part, and the workshop part are also divided again because I have 2 craft programs. First one is batik, and the second one is the woodcraft. And the principle of the layer and the hierarchies are are using into my cultural center, because these two concepts is often showing in the batik and the woodcraft in Malaysia. And this is a program of timeline. It shows the batik, the workshop, the woodcraft shop, the office, cafe, lecture hall, souvenir shop, and the night market. So this is my SOA. Our requirement is the design building can't be more than 800 meters square, but it is not including the existing building. This is a human diagram of us. Batik, Batik, woodcraft, other activities, eating and drinking, learning and teaching, like that. And this is my case study. The case study is at the Thailand. I choose this is because it have a huge semi-open spaces, and then it allow the good natural ventilation and natural lighting. So this is the key plan and the location plan. And this is the site plan. As you can see, the river are coming in and connected with the lake. And this is my ground floor plan. So if a tourist need to come here, they can go through by two ways. First one is the river, and the second one is the lake, which is car. So they go into the car park and then go down, and there's a pathway go through. Then they can directly go to a lobby. After they register in the lobby, they can go through a pathway which will decorated by the history of the batik and the woodcraft. And after that, they will go through the jetty, and the jetty will have a very good view at there. After that, if they wanted to go to the toilet, at the right side got the toilet. And if they are hungry, they need to have a meal, have a lunch, or have a breakfast, they can go into the cafe. If they don't want, they can directly go up to the staircase. And then after that, after they go to the staircase, they will go to the library. Actually, it's a community area, and you go into the small lecture hall. After 10 minutes small lecture, the brief for them, and they will go through the dining area and go down the staircase, and they will reach the batik workshop and the woodcraft workshop. So they can having their experiencing at these two parts. So this is the first floor, the plan, and this one is my elevation from for the left, right, front, rear. This will be the section. The foundation I used it is PET foundation due to the side is lot of water, and then I'm afraid it will be like not strong enough. This is the construction detail, the specification, and the blowout detail. This is the explore axonometric. And the view is, some of the view is shown, like the entrance pathway, the cafe, the exterior perspective of it, and the library at here, and the batik workshop, the dining area, exterior perspective, and another exterior perspective. This is a circulation of the theories. As you can see, it is a circle for them, so it's helpful for them to find out a way how to go their destination. This is the circulation of the vehicle. The red color is axis, and the blue color is entrance. And at this part is actually loading and unloading area at this part. So this is a craftsman's circulation. They go down from the resistance of the craftsman, and then they walk through the lobby and the pathway. Then they will reach their destination, which is the batik workshop and the woodcraft workshop. So I have done a small mock-up model photo. So I have done a small mock-up model. And here, this is the building placement model, and then this one is the amazing model. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.